Question 1. What is the significance of modules? It reduces complexity of programs. Its content can be reused in other programs without having to rewrite them. It creates a number of well-defined, documented boundaries within the program. Question 2. What is a package? How is a package different from module? Package. A package is a directory that contains sub-packages and modules in it along with some special files such as _init_.py. Module. A module is a file with some Python code and is saved with a py extension. Question 3. What is Python path variable? What is its significance? Python path is the variable that tells the interpreter where to locate the module files imported into a program. Hence, it must include the Python source library directory and the directories containing Python source code. You can manually set Python path, but usually, the Python installer will preset it. Question 4. What do you understand by standard library of Python? Python's standard library is very extensive that offers many built-in functions. Python's standard library is by default available, you don't have to import it separately.